Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to talk about the SoundCore Spirit Dot 2s. Now I've actually been using these earbuds for roughly a week, a little over a week or about a week or so. And I'm pretty impressed overall. There's one thing I pretty much don't like about these. Not the earbuds itself, the case, so I'll start with the case. The case it feels kind of loose. Like if I'm looking at this case, see how that is right there? It's looser than I would like it to be. And so when I put it in my pocket, it's kind of jiggles around a little bit. And sometimes I've had it in my pocket and it's open. Now the earbuds didn't come out, but the fact is, that's something that I found quickly that I wasn't too happy with. Now, other than that, folks, I can go ahead and tell you these are totally worth $80. They cost you $79 to SoundCore. Hit the link in the description if you decide to buy these. These are no kickbacks to me. I'm just letting you know that getting these, wow, they are fantastic. Now, the case, I've covered it. The size of it is cool. It has a loose top on it. But after that, this case is good. The battery, I've only lost 2 bars. As you can see there, just 2. I've only lost 1 bar. I still have 2 bars left. Pretty much in line with the other SoundCore case that I was using, checking it out. And I feel like battery life on this is going to be really good. So in about 5 to 7 days, it used 1 bar of this case to keep them at 100 so I can get continuous use out of them. So, you might get 3 weeks out of this battery case, depending on how you're using it. It is a fast charging case, so you'll get a lot of time in it, just charging it for a few minutes. We'll put the headphones in there, the earbuds in there, and you'll get a lot of sound out of these. Now, speaking of sound, they advertise these as having super bass, and I gotta tell you, these do hit really hard. How they did it, I don't know. How they made these sound so good. They're so small, but the earbuds themselves are not very big. They look and feel good, but the sound quality is really, really good. So if you put these in and you're having them in your ear, I've actually had these in my ears for an extended period of time and didn't really think about it. They were unlike the ones that go over the back of my ear. These don't have a bad feel in the ear because there's nothing around the top of your ear. And so when you put on your glasses, for those of us that wear glasses, you're going to be good to go. You shouldn't have any problems with wearing these. And you shouldn't have any problems with them falling out either. I haven't had any problems with these falling out of my ear at all. And I have to stress that. No, but as far as them thumping bass, the thumping bass that they're advertising, it's legit. These actually pound really hard if you're into bass. And it's not overwhelming bass. It's just that songs that have a lot of bass or more than the average, you're definitely going to have it. And the sound quality from these as a whole sound great. They are totally they don't sound like they would cost $79. I have earbuds that cost more and they sound lesser in quality than these. So I think that for the price point, that is where you get into some good value. Because and as far as the syncing goes, they advertise the true sync, like you can take them in and out of your ear one at a time. That works very well. No problems with that. So we're checking the boxes here. You've got a good feeling set of earbuds in your ear. They sound really good. They hit hard with bass if that's what you're into. The battery life is good. You can wear them for an extended period of time. It's a win, and the price is $79. Now, if you're in the market for some wireless earbuds, this is another one, because I can recommend a ton of them. This is another one that I can actually recommend, and I think you'll be extremely happy with it. I really do, because when it comes to picking an earbud, you gotta weigh it out, because there's a lot of earbuds on Amazon that's like $29, eBay like $15. You can walk on Walmart now and get some wireless earbuds, and they won't sound bad for the price. But if you're really thinking about investing in some earbuds that you want to keep for a very long time, SoundCore is a brand. They have really good earbuds. Now, these aren't Sony quality, to be honest, but these also cost just under half of what the Sony's cost. And you can probably find those Sony's, the X3, I believe, the ones I have down there. Let me see. You can probably find these for a lot lower cost now than when I got them. You can find these for a lot lower cost. And also these are a bigger ear. This earbud is a lot bigger. I mean, look at how big this is. It's a really big earbud. So, you know, but you pay for that quality that you and sound that you get from Sony's. But if you don't have Sony money, you know what I mean, and you want to not break the bank, these right here are going to do you some justice, man. $79 before taxes. I mean, it's a win for you. Trust me. Anyone who has these, if you have them, comment down below, because they're telling the truth about this thumping bass thing. It sounds incredible. So that's a quick review, man, for the SoundCore Spirit Dot 2s. These are beautiful. They sound good. And you know, what more do you want? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick video. A week later, 7 days, 5 to 7 days later, I'll continue to use these for a little bit. Take care.